subscribe button and don't let me have nothing. Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. Yeah man. yeah man. So for this week vlog video, this is another special vlog video. And when I say special, you know what that mean? You know what that mean? No, it's not a prank this week, but sorry. It's not a prank this week, guys. It's actually a reaction to some comments of a prank that I did. Yes. Although I kind of prank a while ago, kind of think somebody I said for this week vlog video, you know, it's a prank, you know. Yeah. We did just have to do that a while ago. Comment below if you get pranked a while ago. Comment below if you get pranked. Yeah. But long story short, guys, it's not a prank this week. But sorry, it's not a prank. Maybe next video is going to be a prank. I can't really tell you because my father probably go watch the video and I'm gonna look out, you know, so I can't tell you if next week a prank or the week after. Who not just have to keep or watch and see what happens. You understand? Yeah man. So basically for this week, something very special happened to me, you know, about 2 weeks ago when I posted my last video. I know a lot of you never see my last video because I have about 3,000 here, you know, 3,000, over 3,000. And yet still, at this current moment, the video only have, hold on, let me look real quick. Come in, no one lie. At this current moment, the video only have 760 something views. Me now understand why I go on, people. Like, when you can't explain that to me, when you explain that to me now, please. How? 3,000 I had on it there. And the video only gets 760 something views. And them things me talk about no. And them things me talk about. You know what? Don't make me not have nothing. Alright? Don't make me not have nothing. Alright? When you watch the video them, I work very hard for the video them. I don't know watch them. Why do I watch them? You can't explain that. Just explain that for me now. Anyways, people. Alright, I'm gonna drink a Red Bull because made kinda chippy and also. Yeah, what is this video about again? I kinda gone off track. Yeah, well, let me drink some Red Bull, make me remember. Yes. Back to the video. So basically, as I was saying, something very, very special happened to me 2 weeks ago when I posted my last video. Yes, guys, 2 weeks ago. And someone might know and someone might not know. But for all who never know, let me tell you what happened. So basically, I did a pregnancy prank on my Jamaican father. And the man reaction was epic, yo. And the most hilarious video I ever make in my life. It's like every time I watch it, I dead with laugh. It's like, if you not see it, then just go to go watch it right now before I continue the video. Just go and go watch it because then it's gonna make more sense to you. Yeah man. But yeah guys, so basically, I posted the video, right? I posted the video. And as I said, it didn't get a lot of views on my YouTube channel, you know. But I also uploaded it on Facebook, you know. So at the same time, one of my biggest supporters them, you know, actually two of them, you know, Island Trailer Magazine and VybzKartelVines. You know, both of them post my videos, guys. Them post on last year December. Actually, them post two of them last year December. And within the two of them, I'm supposed to get about at least almost 200,000 views, you know. Them get almost 200,000 views between Facebook and Instagram. And that's crazy, guys. I just wish, I just pray. I just pray to God so one day them views will start come from my YouTube channel, you know. But yeah, guys, long story short, last week on March 15th, they posted my video on Facebook. They posted it on Facebook. Island Trailer Magazine posted my video on Facebook, guys. Facebook. And then post it on Instagram as well. Yes, guys, on Instagram. And then not only them, VybzKartelVines, big up our boss. If y'all never know, VybzKartel are my favorite artist. You know, big up Pearl Boss. Anyways, yes guys, them post it as well. And them never just post it, guys. Guess what them do? Guess what them do? God is good. Them tag me night too, guys. And them never just tag me, guys. Guess what else them do? Island Trigger. Sorry about Island Trigger. Island Thriller magazines. They posted my video on Facebook. And the last time I looked, it has gotten over 100,000 views, guys, within 2 weeks. Yeah, they do have a very big audience though, guys. That's one thing. They do have a very big audience, and it's a page of at least over 180 something, maybe more by now. 180 some thousand people follow them on Facebook, you know. And them basically post my video, guys, and post it on them page, you know, and them tag me night. That was so awesome of them, guys. Like, y'all don't understand how I feel. Maybe I question myself for day and I say, yo, is my content even that good, you know? Because my YouTube channel not really fire like how we really hope it would have fire. Otherwise, from the few loyal supporters them who been there and they make sure them always watch the video and leave them coming, just from my nose and them dead, you know? I appreciate them so much. I really do, because I only make them video more while, and that come from my heart, yo. A lot of times I feel like stop making videos and stop, you know. I've been struggling with motivation, guys, to make these videos because I feel like nobody enjoying it, nobody watching the videos. I'm not getting the views that I really wish I would. But my father always tell me everything take time, and he might one of the main reason why I continue making videos, because he always motivate me to make the videos. So big up my father, big up Daddy Rush-Dem. He's not there right now in the video because he have some things that, you know, him go out of town and all of that. So I'm me alone I host the show for this week. But yeah, guys, my brain all over the place now, so me always jump all over the place and off topic. But yeah, I just felt like expressing my gratitude. You know, I'm always grateful for the few people that support me, you know, the few dear ones. And for all who just come on and just find the channel, you know, welcome. I appreciate it, and hit that subscribe button. And then just enjoy the craziness and the madness that go on the channel. You see me? Yeah, man, and enjoy it. Yeah, man. So as I was saying, when I jump back to which part I come from, you know. Red Bull. Activate. Alright, yeah, I'm fine over there now. Yeah, so basically, guys, I'm just making a video, you know, to telling the guys that I feel so good about it. Because I've been doubting myself, guys. I really have been doubting myself. Yeah. You know, I've been wondering if people really enjoy the stuff I make. You know, and because a lot of people not seeing it, and the few subscribers them who may have not really a comment, you know, the video not really go out there like that, so more people now gonna see it. You know, that's why I'm always begging them for comment, and that's why a lot of YouTubers asking them for comment and like, because them think they send a signal to YouTube that people are enjoying the video, and then YouTube that's alright, people are enjoying the video, so I'm just show it to more people, you know, and that's how it works. So if you don't comment, guys, it not help my channel. I know someone who wants to see my channel go out there like that and get big, you know, and all of that, like how a lot of them channels they get big. A lot of people don't know the great content to me and make over here, so even if you don't really know what I'm going on, you just share the video, you know, and just share the videos, guys, and I remember for comment and like and all of them things, because it help. Oh god, me gone off track again. Let me drink some more Red Bull. Hold on there. Alright, yeah. Island Chiller magazine. Big up on yourself. I'm giving a big shout out and a big thanks and a big appreciation. VybzKartelVines, I appreciate it as well, because you not just post the video, guys, and tag me night. And since you post it on Facebook, Instagram, and all of them places, a lot of people have shared the videos, and it's gotten a lot more views, and my subscribers went up. I even got a comment from someone saying that they saw my video on Island Trailer and came over and subscribed. You know, they was happy. They enjoyed it so much, and actually go into the search engine and type in Rush-Dem Vlogs or whatever the title was. Then find my channel and subscribe, guys. And that is so amazing, guys. Island Trailer magazine actually put in a them caption, go subscribe, you know, and them tag my Facebook page. Them do it on Facebook and them do it on Instagram. Them tell people for go subscribe, guys. And a few people, me at least get at least 100 more subscribers since them do that. You know, I wish it was a lot more, because them do have a big audience. I wish it was a lot more, but a lot of people just enjoy the video and them share it. You know, and them not really follow up for go back over there go subscribe. But still me appreciate the you know, saying y'all tag me and give me credit. That's one thing about that page. I always notice. Them don't just post their videos, them tag the creator. You know, I make them know say alright, them people I make the video. And a lot of them big pages don't do that, them just steal their content and post it. You know. I feel like say it's just right. If you have use some of the content, at least give them credit. And Island Triller and VybzKartelVines, them always do that. You know, not just for me say all of them content and them tag everybody. As long as them know who make it, them tag them. And I appreciate them for do that, you know. But yeah guys, this is just one of them videos there. I just have to share how I feel. I have to share how I feel and just kind of like a talk tone, you know. And that's a show my appreciation. So guys, you know, go over there. If you're not already follow Island Magazine on Facebook, you can search them up and you can see it's a very well known page. And they post a lot of viral stuff, a lot of great content. Anything are great, anything are viral, just look out for Island Triller Magazine and VybzKartelVines. They always post it. You know, I believe them have a YouTube channel as well. I'm going to link it in the description below. You know, I'm going to do all of that. But yeah guys, I know I say a lot of I'm probably not going to watch the video because I say too long. I'm just a talk and I ramble like me's a madman. Yes, I'm mad, but don't just bear with me. I just have to express myself once in a while, you know, and that's what I'm doing right now. So yes, guys, now I'm gonna get all of that off of my chest, you know. I just felt like sharing my joy and gratitude to all of you, to all of my supporters. Them actually, I look out for the videos, them and I actually check in and I say, yo, WaGwaN Rush-Dem, what the video them, the WaGwaN? Oh, Rush-Dem no post a video. Yeah, man, a few of you did that. A few of you did that last week when I was a real one. On a real like that silver chain ever me have had. You want it real, you know? Yeah, man, it real. With me saying all of that, but just I go show you a little bit of what me I talk about, you know? I go show you like the comments them from the comment section of Island Triller Magazine Facebook page, them Instagram page and VybzKartelVines Instagram page. I go show you the comments them and the reaction of the people them, you know. I'm gonna read out some of them and I'm gonna reply back to them verbally, you know, and this is what I go on, you know. This is basically the gist of the video, you know. But I just felt like expressing all of that first before me get to this. Yeah. So basically I'm gonna start off with the Island Triller Magazine page on Facebook. First comment on my notice right here. Yes, I was Navarro. Navarro actually my sister. Big up yourself, Navarro. You just put a big laughing emoji. You probably just a laugh off of my father. I laugh off of the whole situation. He's miserable though. He's miserable though. Everybody miserable. Somebody when named Draco, him said this one protective father. Him protective bad though. Yeah man, we can't worry for you, you know. You chip when they mess with none and pick them, you know. That man have a real love for all and children, them man. Them man, that man always there whenever you need him. You know, not because he's so miserable and stuff. He's a good father. A real father. You know, not because you know see all this stuff up on YouTube, he's miserable and all of that. But this man genuinely loves me. Real, big up yourself, Daddy Rush-Dem. He was a real one in another video. Anyways, Genevieve. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right. God stay with me and God go with me when I pronounce some of the name, you know. So Genevieve said, LOL. Daddy hand gestures alone make you know how him truly feel. Shasha Keen, everyone over here enjoy the little video. And some term I just have to come with something negative. Lord Jesus, man. Yes, Sasha. I saw some people still. Some people can't just watch the video for the video. You know, them have to find something negative. Them have to find some kind of problem. Them have to find something wrong. They can't just enjoy the video like regular people, you know. You know, a lot of people take my pranks them so serious. It's like more while I'm going in the comment section, yo. I just have to laugh, yo. Like some of my people are really upset with me, you know. Which I understand still. Them just have a feel, you know, them have a feeling for my father. You know, and stuff. So but that's a good thing when you can't get people emotion. That's how you know so you do something right. You know, if you do something nobody not feel nothing, something not right, you know. Something not right. Like Ninja Man voice, Ninja Man says something.
Alright. Something alright, yeah.
Davis, LOL. And get ghost.
Run up and down and get ghost.
I would have behaved same way. My son can't bring certain kind of girl around me. Me understand, Auntie Mavis, me understand. Big up yourself, Auntie Mavis. You leave a comment. Auntie Mavis, go on over there, go subscribe to my channel. You know, make your son go over there and type in Rush-Dem Vlogs and go over there, go subscribe. Alright, Auntie Mavis, big up yourself. Alright, Keaton, real talk, father. Tell him the truth. Yeah, man, a real talk. And he put the look of 100%. Anytime you see the 100%, that means a real talk. 100%. Alright? Yeah, man. Alright, Keaton. 100%. Raquel, daddy said, go look for your picking the pooper.
Hey, Koswa.
Hey, come on, 5 foot.
Come on, 5 foot. Go look for your picnic pooper.
Hey,
Go look for your pooper. Run up and down and get got.
Yeah, but that's one of my favorite lines. When you said that, I swear we did that then. And you were bust out a laugh when you said that, you know. But I'm still there for a hold my composure. You know, because if I laugh, you would have known there's something I go down. But that was my favorite line as well. Go look for your picking the pooper. Shanice said, I laughed so hard, my belly cramp up, LOL. I died when daddy said, I know you me a chat too. I him, shut up your mouth.
You me a talk to. I don't know you. Me not talk to you. Me don't know you. Hello, me don't know you. Me not talk to you. Me don't know you.
You faced it, oh. Tamara Rido. What? What kind of name, man? Tamarido. Alright, me not even go by the call her name. Alright, moving on. So me I go over to Instagram page, you know. You know, me I go to VybzKartelVines, you know. As you can see, them tag me in the video, them tag me Instagram page in the video. As you can see, big up on yourself with that. I did get a few more Instagram followers because two of them tag me. You know, Alan should have tagged me as well for my Instagram. And my Instagram followers went up. Okay, moving on. Me I go to the comments them now on VybzKartelVines, you know. Hold on, let me sip like a Red Bull. Oh! Red Bull gives you wings. Alright, ready now. So, the person name, one two follow fashion. Yeah, I like the name. One two follow fashion. Why her name have to be Monique?
Him breed me, I mean your money. And him breed me. I'm
What?
call him, I'm here.
Why her name have to be Monique? And then they put some laughing emoji. Well, 15 people like that comment. But I don't know why. I really don't know why. But now I try to say, some Monique always stay. Anyway, so somebody commented and I was like, because that's some most woman name so behave. Yo, that's true. That's some most Monique behave. In the comment below, I make me know if I true there. If you don't know a Monique like that. Somebody wife. Me surprised that in a cut to Claude, best prank me ever watch. When a lot of people look for my father curse and stuff, but him is not like that, you know, so you're not gonna really, you know, get him for curse and all of that. I mean, him is not like that. So I know a lot of the Jamaicans love here when Jamaican parents cause badder than somebody. You know, my father is not like that, you know, and I don't like promote profanity, you know, especially on social media and my YouTube channel and all of that. If you notice, you know, really hear me cursing on my videos then. So yeah, moving on. CG official, your favorite idiot. Father don't even happy him get a grand. I could have had this Papa Jesus. But I said my father don't happy so I get a grandchild. I mean, realistically though, if you as a parent, you care for you want the best for your child and your child in a situation like that where you feel like say alright. You know, him with a person, you know, where you feel like say alright, I go cause more drama than happiness. You know, I go stress him out. You know, your things happen and all of that. But if you know there's a your child and you love that child, you're gonna want the best for the child, you know. You're gonna want the best for the child. Yes, as time goes by, that father will accept that grandchild, you know. But that is any real parent out there will actually love them child and want the best for them child, I gonna feel that way. So yeah, if it was a real situation, yeah, I would be happy. Say I get a grandchild like this. That's the difference. You know, like this. If it was a better situation, me know my father, he would have more glad, you know. If it was a situation where he feel like, alright, my son now gonna live a miserable life. You know, and that's all. That's all him really did a feeling of the video. So yeah. Moving on. Red Bull. Yeah man, so moving on. First comments, ingenious. Ingenious say you never did it. when he might get out in a spirit.
Me no know you.
You never did it when you might get out
Me
in a
never
spirit
happy.
and
Me never
I
happy
said,
today. Me never.
Hey, what the line of the bad thing, big up yourself money. How you get them something from? Money can wicked, you know. Imagine, none of them something that happy, you know. And look what you are telling, man. So you never did it when they get out of that spirit. Money can wicked free, you know. No comment below if you don't know how money like this. No comment. When I tag money, you can tell her, I say, oh, go and watch a video. Rashibu_9. Me know what. I can't read patois, you know, guys. Me I try. Me know they walk past cemetery and hear me picking it and call me. I guess when Monique this says she don't want to walk past cemetery.
No, me have to talk about it now. You know, say me not kill no picnic. Me want to walk past cemetery and hear the picnic ball out my knee. So don't ramp with me.
Monique, how you come from, Monique? How Monique really? Where money come from? I don't talk about Monique if you don't know how Monique will stay like this. If you don't stick along to this far, you know, and you see all of this, I watch the video till the end, I appreciate them. I really appreciate them for watching that video, you know, because a lot of times, you know, I feel like say, who don't only watch the video because I'm a father. Yeah, but without a lie, that's how I feel sometimes. So I don't only watch my video because I'm a father, you know. But, you know, whether I not watch it because I'm a father or I not watch it because of me, I still watch it. So I appreciate it, you know. Appreciate it and still I watch it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. You know, big up on yourself. I really appreciate all of the support, you know, from Island Chiller Magazine, VybzKartelVines, you know, my regular subscribers each and every day. You know, I thank you for being here with me on this journey. I thank you for everything on the door. You know, I appreciate you. And see you in the next video. But before I go, I want you to remember to hit that subscribe button and don't make me have none. I want you to remember to like the video, guys. Like the video because them things they help. I want you to remember to comment, leave a comment, guys. Leave a comment because them things they really help, guys. And if you really enjoy the video, share it. Even if you don't enjoy it, share it to him. You know, because somebody else might enjoy it. Just show your support and share, you know, comment something random, you know. And maybe one day when one of my videos them actually take off and me have a lot more comments from one of my videos, me do have video like this again, you know. And the only way me gonna if they enjoy it, if you make me know so they enjoy the video, you know. And that's all I'm asking right now. So yeah, man, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, you know. And yeah, man, I like that.
Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the right.